Hey guys, this is Mr. Lowe here. I'm going over one of the examples that is on your sheet today that we're going to be working on. And we're using integers to be writing expressions. So here's the example. It says a submarine was 30 feet underwater. It dove 12 feet deeper, then rose 22 feet towards the surface. What is the submarine's depth now? Using integers, write an equation that represents the situation. So what I've done here is I've created just a number line, and it's going to go up and down. And we can think of 0 as the water level, and above the water level would be positive. And I'm just going to count by tens since it's 30, and below the water would be negative. So we'll call that negative 10, negative 20, and negative 30, right? So it's 30 feet underwater, so he's negative 30 feet. It dove 12 feet deeper and then rose 22 feet towards the surface. So I'm thinking of this as starting as negative 30, and then it's going 12 feet deeper. So that means he's going down this way, right? So 12 feet deeper. So he's going to be going past, if he's going 12 feet deeper, he's going to be going past negative 40, plus negative 12. And then he rose 22 feet towards the surface. So now that's going to be adding just a normal, a positive 22. So going back up towards the surface. Okay, and so when we combine integers, hopefully you're kind of recognizing that when I'm just adding negative numbers, it's just like I'm adding normal numbers, except my sign stays negative. So 30 plus 12 is 42, but since I'm on the negative side of 0, it's going to be negative 42. And then I'm still going up 22. So that means I'm getting closer to 0, which means I'm getting less negative. And so you can think of, okay, 42, I'm actually kind of subtracting 22 from that. And so that would be left at, I can adjust my picture here. Instead of going up, 42, and we're going upwards towards the surface. So I'm going to be at negative 20. So when the pictures help. The expectation is that we're drawing some sort of model, and then we are solving the equation. So I've done one part. So what is the submarine's depth now? We could say negative 20 feet. And then I can't forget about that last part. This is using integers, right? An equation that represents the situation. So my equation is going to be negative 30 plus negative 12 plus 22 equals negative 20. And I'll make that, circle that answer because that's my equation. Circle this answer because that's my answer. And hopefully you're realizing that, it's just like we're adding and subtracting regular numbers, regular whole numbers. We just have to realize what side of 0 we're on and which direction we're moving. So drawing the pictures, using models, using math, symbols, equations, we are solving this problem.